How to fix Facebook Messenger chat heads not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bima from Help Deck. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix if chat heads are not showing up on Facebook Messenger. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to fix when the Facebook Messenger is not showing up chat heads, it's very simple. That is because Messenger is lacking the appear on top feature on your Android phone. So first open Messenger. Once you open Messenger, open up a specific chat thread. It could be any of the chat thread over here. Just tap on the I button which you see on the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the I button, again you have to tap on the three dot which you see on the top right hand side, and you'll find the option called open chat head. So just tap on it, and as you tap on it, you can see you have to simply turn on chat heads. So at the bottom, select the option called go to settings, and you can see the appear on top permission over here. Here you want to look for the Messenger app and make sure to just turn it on, and once you've done so, you can see we have turned on appear on top for Messenger. Now you can come back and then simply open up a chat thread in that way, and just like that you can see a little chat thread hovering over the screen. Now you can also go ahead and then open any of the other chat threads as well that you want to, and just like that you will successfully be able to open up chat threads and fix on Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.